Kia too technical. So as you can see, the kind people over at Smart Devil is kind enough to send me out their Smart Pull box screen protector for my S26 Ultra. So we're just gonna get this unboxed like so. We're gonna get the device cleaned up and we're gonna install this on the S26 Ultra. I love companies that send you installings that is simple to use, so it makes it easier for everyone to install on their device. So on the back of here you do get a QR code if that's something you want to scan. It says Smart Devil. So you do get 2 screen protectors. No, you get 3. So that's good. You get 1 installed and then you get 2 extra ones. So if you mess up, so that's good to know that you do get 2. And then you get your cleaning wipes. That's one thing about me. If I get a new phone, excuse me, I try to put a screen protector on all my devices. So I can keep them looking nice and clean, just in case, you know, I end up selling them later, because I usually do. So you get your dust removable sticker and your wet wipe and your cleaning cloth. So this is the top here, and then you will pull this. But first, let me get the device cleaned up real quick. So first I just use a wet wipe. This is freshly taken out of the box, so it shouldn't be too nasty. But if it is, you just want to wipe it up, wipe it up, wipe it up. Just like that. Then I want to take my dust removable, well, first, then I want to take my cloth and wipe it down. Okay, and then after that, then that's where you take your dust removable sticker and hit your screen up. Make sure you have no kind of cats or dogs in the area, because if so, that is going to mess up your screen and you will have to keep doing the process over, because I don't like seeing dust particles under my screen. It makes me want to pull it off and start over. So once you get your device to your liking and you see nothing else on there, then that's where you want to come over, drop your phone real quick in there. That way no kind of dust particles can get in there and set even more. Close it like so and just pull, and that should give you a good install. Just like that. A bubble-free install, no problem. As you can see, it's edge to edge here. It's not going to lift up. It should do fine with cases on the device, because it's edge to edge. It looks good to me. There's no kind of dust or dirt under the screen. So overall, that does look good to me. I will make sure I drop a link in the description to where you can go pick this up for yourself. But do remember, you do want to keep this, because you have two more screen protectors that you can use to go along with this kit. But I hope you found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next one. I'm out.